Mrs. Lowman came to us because really she was having such difficulty just completing her daily usual routine activities. At 98 years old, one would maybe automatically think, well, she's 98 and she's certainly not a candidate for anything invasive, certainly not something like a heart valve replacement. But what we found is that in somebody like Mrs. Lowman is that there's a difference between your chronologic age and your actual cardiovascular age. And so her cardiovascular age is probably much more in keeping with somebody that's 78 years old and not 98 years old. Really the only health issue and problem that she had was that she had a bad aortic valve. And so after we talked through sort of what that minimally invasive TAVR procedure represented to her and the likelihood that she could go home the next day after I did it, she thought about it, went home, discussed it with her family, had Thanksgiving with them, and then called us shortly thereafter and scheduled her procedure for December. We're going to celebrate and surprise her with a birthday party today. She turns 99 this coming Saturday, so I'm here and got a whole host of people here that care for her and want to see her and wish her well. So I'm excited to see her and see exactly how well she is doing.
Dr. Bowers I knew when I met him that everything would be okay. And he's a very sweet person. I breathe better. It affected my lungs and my breathing. I'd get up at night and have to want air. I like to walk. I like to play bridge. And I play on the computer. And I watch game shows and try to answer some of the things. And I just love it. And you've all just kept me going.